Introduction to Lencho and his farm. Lencho lives with his family in a solitary house on a hill. His crops are growing well, but he hopes for rain to ensure a good harvest. Arrival of rain and hailstorm. It starts raining and Lencho is overjoyed, comparing the raindrops to corns. However, the rain turns into a devastating hailstorm, destroying all the crops. Lencho and his family are left with nothing and fear starvation. Lencho's faith in God. Despite the disaster, Lencho strongly believes in God's help. He writes a letter to God asking for 100 pesos to replant his fields and survive. He mails the letter, confident that God will provide. The postmaster's response. The postman and postmaster find the letter amusing but admire Lencho's faith. The postmaster decides to help and collects donations from his employees and friends. They manage to gather only 70 pesos and send it to Lencho, signing the letter as God. Lencho's reaction. Lencho receives the money but is angry that it is not the full 100 pesos. He writes another letter to God, complaining about the missing amount. He accuses the post office employees of stealing the rest and asks God not to send money through them.